What if I told you that one tiny seed could boost your health, improve digestion, promote glowing skin, and even help with weight loss? Yes, we're talking about flax seeds, a superfood packed with amazing benefits. In this video, I'll reveal 7 powerful reasons why you should eat flax seeds daily and how they can transform your health. Plus, stay till the end for a bonus tip on how to consume them for maximum benefits. Reason number 1, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Did you know that flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 self-help, reduce inflammation, support heart health, improve brain function. If you don't eat fish, flax seeds are a perfect alternative to get your daily dose of omega-3. Reason number 2, boosts digestion and relieves constipation. Flax seeds are loaded with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds gives you about 3 grams of fiber. This helps prevent constipation, support gut health, detox your body naturally. Reason number 3, aids in weight loss. Trying to lose weight? Flax seeds can help. They are high in fiber and keep you full for longer, reducing unhealthy cravings. How to use it for weight loss? Add 1 tablespoon to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Drink plenty of water to enhance its effect. Reason number 4, promotes glowing skin and healthy hair. Want clearer skin and shinier hair? Flax seeds are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which reduce acne and wrinkles, strengthen hair, and prevent hair fall. Easy way to use it. Eat flax seeds daily for skin glow. Apply flax seed oil to hair for extra shine. Reason number 5, balances hormones. Flax seeds contain lignans, which help balance hormones naturally. They can reduce PMS symptoms, support menopause relief, regulate hormones in both men and women. Reason number 6, supports heart health and lowers cholesterol. Studies show that flax seeds help lower bad cholesterol LDL and increase good cholesterol HDL. This reduces the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure. For best results, eat 1 tablespoon daily for a healthy heart. Reason number 7, improves blood sugar control. If you have high blood sugar or are at risk of diabetes, flax seeds can help. Studies show they lower blood sugar levels, prevent sudden sugar spikes. Best way to consume: add ground flax seeds to your breakfast for steady energy levels all day. The best way to eat flax seeds. Did you know whole flax seeds pass through your system undigested? So you need to consume ground flax seeds for maximum absorption. How to use them daily? Add to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Mix with water and drink as a morning detox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Really helps the channel. Share, help others discover these amazing benefits. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips every week.